Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're making a quick video on a company that I've been following for some time, a company probably many of you are also aware of, and that the company is Lucid. I'm recording this video on Sunday, January 16th, 2022. The markets are closed today, and they'll also be closed tomorrow, the 17th, Monday, the 17th of January 2022, in observance of the Martin Luther King holiday. So let's get back to the company. The company is Lucid. Unless you've been under a rock this last year, you'll know that electric vehicle companies of anything associated with the EV industry has just gone bananas. Tesla, of course, is the leading company in this field, and it's just had astronomical growth. And I must say, it has delivered in terms of a product and performance and deliveries, and continues that. In the meantime, there's been a lot of other companies that have been introduced and that we've seen, some good, some bad. NIO, the Chinese EV company with the batteries you can swap out, excellent company, and we're going to see many more. You're looking here at a video of the Lucid Motors homepage featuring their Lucid Air product, which has been released. It's an amazing product. What can I say? It's a high-end product. Now, the question is, will they be able to deliver the quality and the quantity of vehicles needed to meet the high expectations of this company? First of all, I want you to know that this video should not be construed as investment advice of any sort. This is a very risky company to invest in. Please do so at your own risk. We do have multiple positions in the company, but just because we do does not mean that you should. We are not investment advisors. We do not know your financial situation. We are simply providing this video for educational purposes and to give you an idea of what we feel of the company at this time. So let's just go back. Lucid Group, ticker symbol LCID, was launched a little bit over a year ago as a Special Purpose Acquisition Company, or SPAC as they're like to be termed. It came on the market at around $20 a share, and rumors started floating around. When these SPACs are introduced, they're not necessarily affiliated with a particular company. They're funded with the idea to go out and find a company to take public. And in this case, the company merged. You can see here, this is a one-year chart on TradingView of LCID. And you can see right about a year ago, on the 14th of January 21, the stock was trading in the $15 to $20 range. Well, rumors started coming out of the merger, and you can see how this thing started to run up just on pure speculation. Once people were flying, watching where corporate jets were flying to try and confirm that it was indeed Lucid that this company was going to merge with. And what happened was, here on the 22nd of February of 21, the stock got driven all the way up to $60-some a share. The merger was then announced, and this thing crashed. It went from 60 down to $20-some in the matter of days. And the reason for that was no one knew how this actual merger was going to be structured, how many shares would be outstanding, how much was invested, etc. And you can see how it was when it was finally announced. There was more shares, more PIPE investors, and it was just negatively received in the marketplace. And so it traded here between February of last year and really around October of this year, in that range in between the, say, $20 to mid $30, 20 low to high $20 range. And this whole, it would drive down, there'd be rumors, it would come up. They were supposed to start production sometime in the third quarter of 2021, which they did. Sometime, I want to say late August, September, October, somewhere around there. And you can see once they actually started to produce cars, this thing slowly crept up to almost, it did hit not quite up to 60, but the high 50s. So let's just take a look at the 3-month chart here. These blue lines, I've been following this company for some time. These horizontal blue lines represent a support and the resistance along the way up. Now, in the last month or so, we've seen some good activity. The stock got up to $45 and now has retreated to the low to mid 40s. It closed on Friday at $42.25, up about 81 cents, which represented about a 2% increase. As I stated earlier, the key to this company is going to be how they can continue to deliver. They are undergoing their construction facility is located in Arizona. The production facility is their own, and phase 1 is complete, and they are undergoing an expansion to meet their goals. If you look at the statistics of this car, I mean, it's absolutely phenomenal. 1,111 horsepower with a range of 520 miles, starting at 70,000. Now, their goal, obviously, is to get this price down. They came in with a super expensive. I want to say the cars that were delivered were like in the $150,000 range. But the thing is just amazing. The one weakness of the car, in my opinion, at this point, is the software. It is my understanding that the level of auto driving on the existing vehicle is minimal. It can be upgraded via software updates, but we don't know when those are going to be finalized and released out to the company. So if there is one knock on the company, that is the knock. And also, are they going to be able to produce these in numbers which will be profitable? The market cap, it's not, I mean, this thing is expensive because this is such a hot sector. It's attracted a lot of attention. The market capitalization is 69.5 billion shares. You can see average daily volume of 33 million. It's a great investment vehicle in my opinion. It is risky. If you do get involved with this stock, I highly, highly recommend you do not devote a large portion of your portfolio, maybe 1 to 2, maximum of 5%. I'm trading both shares and options right now. The options premiums are still very, very good. You can see here there is quite a bit of support, down to the $39 level as we consolidate in the $40 range. Not a lot of catalysts upcoming at this point, but it's something that I think you should take a look at, see if it meets your investment needs. That is our overview of Lucid Group Incorporated, ticker symbol LCID. Good luck with all your investments, and we'll be out with another video soon.